How to change voice on Discord mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change your voice on Discord mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this voice mode soundboard application. And once you click on any of the voice mode you like, which you like to choose, simply click on any of the voice mode you like, and from there follow to the next step. First, simply head over to your Discord application, and inside Discord application just click on your profile option on the bottom right, and you can see on the top right there is a setting option, and once you click on it, simply scroll down until you see the option called voice. So click on voice. Under the input device option, select voice mode and select headset under the output device option. Now your voice will be filtered through the voice mode. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.